Hello and welcome back to Manus Medley. Today I am taking you along on a little escape from the city of ferry ride to Toronto Islands. The journey begins at the Jack Lantern Ferry Terminal, just a short walk from the Union Station. This is where locals and tourists line up, tickets in hand, excited for a quick getaway across Lake Ontario. Ticket costs about $9 for adults and $4.5 for kids. Boarding the ferry always feels special. The moment you step on, you can already sense the shift from the buzz of downtown Toronto to a calmer, more peaceful environment. As the ferry pulls away, Toronto comes alive in the background. The CN Tower, Rogers Centre, and those sparkling glass towers slowly appear behind you. If you head to the upper deck, you will get one of the best skyline views of the city. This ride is short, just 10 to 15 minutes, but it feels so refreshing. While I talk, we have approached the island dock. Families with strollers, cyclists, and picnickers all get ready to step into this car-free oasis filled with beaches, trails, and open green spaces. The Jack Lantern Ferry Terminal runs services to three different islands: Center, Hanlands, and Wards. Each island is connected by roadways and trails, so you can walk, cycle, or even rent a bike to explore them all. When it is time to head back, you can board the ferry from any of the islands. There is so much more to do here, like beaches, parks, playgrounds, boating, restaurants, bars, and plenty of open space to simply relax. One of the fun highlights here is the Meany maze. It's a large hedge maze where you can wander through winding paths, try to find your way out, and have a few laughs along the way. Perfect for both kids and adults.
Oh, there's no.
Oh, there is no way. We'll go this side. If you are visiting Toronto, this is definitely a must-do experience. Honestly, the ferry ride itself is worth it even before you step onto the islands. We came out. Woo! Toronto Islands is a great place to escape the rush of city life and spend an entire day surrounded by nature. From the island, you can also get an incredible view of the Toronto skyline. I have heard it looks even more magical at night, but since it is getting colder, we decided to wrap up our day while enjoying the breeze, the sound of the waves, and the seagulls flying around us. For me, the highlight is always watching the skyline from the water, seeing the city slowly fade behind while nature draws closer ahead. It's such a beautiful balance between the buzzing city life and the calmer island vibes. I hope you like this video. I'll meet you soon in the next. Until then, bye bye.